Hi, welcome to my online e-math classes. In this video, we will going to learn trigonometric transformations, and this question is from Academy textbook for the states Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Take a look at the question. The question says cos A plus cos B minus cos C equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. For proving this question, first we consider the left hand side of the result. Now take LHS, which says cos A plus cos B minus cos C. Okay. Take a look at the first two terms. For first two terms, we have to use the formula cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D is nothing but 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Here C stands for capital A and D stands for capital B, capital D. Okay. C stands for capital A and D stands for capital B. Now the question becomes 2 cos C plus D by 2. That means A plus B by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. That means A minus B by 2. Keep the last term cos C as it is, minus cos C. Now, cos of A plus B, and this is all in triangle ABC. So, we have cos A plus in triangle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Here we need A plus B. We need A plus B. So keep this A plus B. So A plus B equal to, we can write like we can write as 180 minus C. Use this result. Now we have 2 cos. Replace this A plus B with 180 minus C and write the remaining terms cos of A minus B by 2 and also minus cos C. Now divide this 180 with 2 and also C with 2. Then we have 180 by 2 means 90 minus C by 2. And write there is no changes for the remaining terms, that is cos of a minus b by 2 same, and minus cos c is same. Next step, take a look at here, 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta is the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positives. So, cos is also positive, but whenever 90 and 270, that kind of angles exist, then the transformative trigonometric functions changed itself. That means cos becomes sine. So, write down 2 sine c by 2 cos of a minus b by 2 minus, for cos 2 theta, I am writing the formula here. For cos 2 theta, we have to use a sine rule. Cos 2 theta formula in sine terms, okay. So, that is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. But here in this situation, it says only cos c only. So, this replace this 2 theta with theta. So, now we have cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. Now, put theta as a c, then we have the result for this step. Now, cos c means, make a bracket, 1 minus 2 sine square, replace theta with c, we have 1 minus 2 sine square c by 2. Fine. Now, this is equal to 2 sine c by 2 cos a minus b by 2, multiplying with minus 1, we have minus 1 minus of minus plus 2 sine square c by 2. Write down the minus 1 as a first term. So, minus 1 plus, write down remaining all terms, this minus 1 as a first term, write down the remaining all terms, 2 sine c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus 2 sine square c by 2. Okay. Take a look at the last two terms. Both have common factor 2 sine c by 2. Both terms have common factor 2 sine c by 2. So, taking common 2 sine c by 2, we have cos of a minus b by 2 plus 2 sine, there is no 2 here, because we already took that 2 as a common factor, sine c by 2. So, remaining value is sine c by 2. Now, sine c by 2 means, since it is a triangular angles, so we can replace c with 180 minus of a plus b. Write on the next steps, minus 1 plus 2 sine c by 2 of cos of a minus b by 2 plus sine of, replace this c with 180 minus of a plus b whole divided by 2. Okay. C stands for C stands for 180 minus of A plus B. Next step, this is equal to minus 1 plus 2 sine C by 2 of cos of A minus B by 2 plus sine of 180 by 2. 180 by 2 is 90 minus of A plus B by 2, and 90 minus theta, it look like 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta is a first quadrant. For first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positives. Whenever 90 occurs, the trigonometric functions changed, it present, this term is a sine function, so it turns into cos A plus B by 2. Now look at these two terms, they have formula. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B is nothing but 2 cos A and cos B. Here A stands for A by 2 and B stands for B by 2. Now minus 1 plus 2 sine C by 2 of 2 cos A by 2, because 2 cos A and cos B is a result, whereas A stands for A by 2 and B stands for B by 2. So 2 cos A by 2 and cos B by 2. Now multiplying with 2 2's 4. So now the last step, minus 1 plus 2 2's are 4. 4 cos A by 2 and cos B by 2 sine C by 2, which is RHS, hence proved. This is the answer for this question. Thank you for watching. This is Yugandhar, lecturer in mathematics. Subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, please use a comment section, or you can also WhatsApp to your doubt to my number. My WhatsApp number is 7032507699. You can find it on description also. You can also join my WhatsApp group, WhatsApp doubts group. You can post your doubts in the group. As early as possible, I will try to answer your questions. Thank you. Thank you very much.